Come test drive this 2006 Nissan Xterra. A 4-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.